Okay, next, in last class, we have discussed about some important points in the chapter production and management of food from the plant. Production of food from plant. Production of food from plant. Okay, this is the main important chapter here. Already we discussed about the different types of food materials are obtained from the plant. Next, in previous class, we have discussed about different types of plants. Different types of plants. Long-term crop, short-term crop, long-term crop, short-term crop. This is important one. Next, factors that affect the flowering process. Factors that affect flowering process. Next, I have discussed about long night plant, short night plant, long night plant, short night plant. Next, another one, night neutral plant. Night neutral plant. These are three important types of plants. Here, long night plant means they require more than 12.5 hours of night. Hours of night. More than 12.5 hours of night. Short night plants mean they require less than 12.5 hours of night. Night neutral plants mean they do not depend on the duration of night time. Okay, they do not depend on the duration of night time. Understanding? Here, this do not depend on duration of night. Duration of night. Okay, observe carefully. These are three types of plants usually. Long night plants require more than 12.5 hours of night to produce the flower. Short night plants require less than 12.5 hours. Less than 12.5 hours of night to produce the flowers. To produce the flowers. Night neutral plants, they do not require they do not depend on the duration of night to produce the flowers. Okay, they produce the flowers irrespective of the duration of night. Here examples for the long night plants. Examples for the long night plants are maize, cotton, the maize, cotton. These are the examples for the long night plant. Next, examples for the short night plant. Best example is wheat. Best example, wheat. Next, here example, soya bean. Soya bean. Yes. Understanding. Yes, observe carefully. Okay. Next, okay, observe. Here, observe wheat. Wheat is a short night plant. It requires less than 12.5 hours of night duration. If we provide more than 12.5 hours of the night duration, wheat plants cannot produce the flower. Wheat plants do not produce flowering. This is important one. Okay, that is why here it requires less than 12.5 hours of the night duration. Yes. Okay. Actually, farmers cultivate the wheat plants. Farmers cultivate the wheat only during the Rabi season. Only during the Rabi season. Farmers do not cultivate the wheat crop in Kharif season. In Kharif season, farmers do not cultivate the wheat. They cultivate the wheat only during the Rabi season. What is the reason for this? What is the reason? What will happen? What will happen if farmers cultivate wheat crop during the Kharif season? What will happen? Let us discuss about these two types of situation. What will happen if it is cultivated in this season or in this season? Let us discuss about this. Okay. Here. Next. Okay, here if wheat is cultivated, if wheat is cultivated in Kharif season, in Kharif season, what will happen? For example, Kharif season means imagine July, June, July. Okay, imagine here July. If farmers cultivate the wheat from the July onwards, what will happen? Actually, to grow wheat, listen carefully. Wheat plants take the 8 to 10 weeks for growing. 8 to 10 weeks for the growing. For the growing. How much time? 8 to 10 weeks. If farmers start the cultivation of the wheat from the July, what will happen? For the growing purpose, wheat crop takes 8 to 10 weeks. means after 8 to 10 weeks, means after complete growth of the wheat plant, it would be October. It would be actually October. Observe carefully at 2.5 months. Okay, July, next to August, September, October. It would be October actually. Here, October onwards actually, during the October, night duration is more than 12.5 hours. Okay, night duration is more than 12.5 hours from the October onwards. October, November, December, this. Observe carefully here. October onwards, night duration may be more than 12.5 hours. In that type of conditions, if night duration is more than 12.5 hours, can wheat plant produce flower? Can wheat plant produce flowering? No, because it is a short night plant. It requires the less than 12.5 hours of night duration. It requires less than 12.5 hours of night duration. But now in this situation, night duration is more than 12.5 hours. Then in this condition, wheat plant cannot produce flowering. Okay, means production of wheat in this situation is very low. In this situation, production is very, very low. Production is low. Yielding is here low because there is no much flowering. If there are no flowers, fruit seeds, they will not produce. Okay, that is why yielding or production is very low during this situation. When farmers cultivate the wheat crop in Kharif season, they get the production very low. Now, in next condition or next season, okay, next season observe. For example, farmers cultivate if farmers are wheat crop, if wheat crop is cultivated in December, what will happen? December means Rabi season. In Rabi season, what would be the production? Let us discuss. First, for example, farmers imagine if farmers start the cultivation from the December. Wheat crop takes 8 to 10 weeks for the growth. 8 to 10 weeks for the growth. Now what will happen? 8 to 10 weeks means here December, January, February, or March. Okay. Next, after complete growth of the wheat crop plant, it would be February or March. It would be February or March. Observe carefully. During the February or March, from these months onward, night duration is less than 12.5 hours. Less than 12.5 hours. Daytime duration, light time duration, or daytime duration is more here from the February, March onward. Are you understanding? From the February, March onward, night time duration is less than 12.5 hours. Okay, less than 12.5 hours. If night duration is less than 12.5 hours, then wheat plant can produce the inflorescences or flowers. In this condition, wheat crop can produce the inflorescences or flowering. Inflorescences are flowering. Observe carefully. Inflorescences are flowering. Means another important advantage in this condition is to mature the seed, to mature the embryo and seed, and for the drying of the seed, heat is required. Some hot climate is required. From the February, March onwards, summer season starts. Summer season starts from the February, March onwards. That is why heat is also required to mature or for maturing of the seed and for the drying of seed. That is why this season, which season, Rabi season is the best season for cultivation of the wheat crop. Okay, here because of these advantages, production would be very high. Production would be very high, but here production is low. Their production is high. Observe. Observe, if wheat is cultivated in Kharif season, if wheat is cultivated in Kharif season, what will happen? What will happen? At the time of flowering, at the time of flowering in wheat plant, at the time of flowering in the wheat plant, it would be October, means in October or November, night duration is more than 12.5 hours. That is why flowering process is affected negatively. That is why more flowering is not produced in wheat plant. That is why production is very low when farmers cultivate the wheat crop in Kharif season. Okay. Now, in the other season, observe, if wheat crop is cultivated in Rabi season, okay, what will happen? At the time of flowering in wheat plant, it would be actually February or March. In this month, actually, night duration is less than 12.5 hours. This is the suitable night duration for more flowering in wheat plant. That is why more flowers are produced in wheat plant and production would be high. Production would be very high. That is why which is the suitable season between these two? Which is the suitable season? For growing the wheat crop is the Rabi of these two seasons. Kharif or Rabi season. Here, Rabi season is a very suitable season for cultivating the wheat crop. Yes. Okay. It's about that is why farmers cultivate the wheat crop only during the Rabi season. Okay. Next. Now, let us discuss an activity. Let us discuss an activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? To observe the what? To observe the production of paddy. Okay, this is the aim of this activity. Now, in this activity, you have to do what you have to do. You have to go to nearby villages and you have to ask different types of questions to farmers of that village to collect the information on the production of paddy both in Kharif season and Rabi season. Kharif season and Rabi season. This is the important one. First, in this activity, you have to go to nearby village and then you have to ask different types of questions. Ask different types of questions to farmer to collect the information. On production of the paddy. Production of paddy in both seasons, in Rabi and Kharif season. Kharif season. Okay, this is important one. Okay, you have to do the activity like this. Okay, after collecting the information, you have to mention or you have to write the entire information in table or form or in a table Okay, now let us observe the table. Paddy growing season. Paddy growing season. Next, production of paddy per hectare. Production of paddy per hectare. Then quality of seed. Quality of seed. Size. Next, weight. Size and weight. Here like this, you have to write the entire collected information in this table. For example, here Kharif season, next Rabi season, Kharif and Rabi season. Production of paddy per hectare in Kharif season. Production of paddy per hectare in Rabi season. Quality of seed. Size of the paddy. Size of the paddy in Kharif season and in Rabi season. Weight of the seed. Weight of the seeds in Kharif season and Rabi season. More weight, okay, more or high weight and low weight. More and less, more weight and less weight. Size is large and small size. Okay, observe like this. In this activity, you have to go to nearby village. Okay, you have to go to nearby village, and you have to ask the different types of questions to farmers to collect the information on production of paddy in Rabi and Kharif season. Okay, after that you have to collect the information. Then you have to write the entire information in tabular form like this. First, here paddy growing season, 2 seasons, Kharif and Rabi season. Next, production of paddy per hectare. Hectare means 2.4 acres. 2.4 acres. This is the hectare. Next, quality of seed, size. Size large or small. In Kharif, large or small. Okay, next weight, more and less. Okay, more weight and less weight. Like this, you have to write the entire information in the tabular form. Tabular form. Okay. Observe one. Here observe. Listen carefully. After this activity, you can realize that during the Kharif season, production of paddy per hectare production is high. Okay, production is high. How to write the exact figure? Okay, after this experiment or after this activity, okay, practical activity, how to write the here? Mention the figure. Okay, here production of Kharif season, production of the paddy per hectare in Kharif season. In Kharif season, production is high. Production is actually high. But in Rabi season, production is low. Production is low. And the quality of seeds size is in Kharif season, size is actually size is large size. Size is actually large size when compared to the other one. Okay, size is a large. Next, weight. Weight is size is a large size. Here weight also here. Weight also more. More weight. Understanding? Okay, this is important. Next here in Rabi season, size is when compared to grain or paddy in the Kharif season, here small grain. Next, weight here less. Understanding? Observe carefully. Means after this experiment, we can realize that production of paddy is very high in the Kharif season when compared to Rabi season. Next, size of the grains larger than this size of the grains in Rabi season. Weight is also more weight. High weight is present. Weight is more or high weight is present here. Weight is high weight. Here low weight is present. Here high weight is present. Here low weight is present. Means according to entire this information, we can say that Kharif season is the best season for growing paddy or for the cultivation of the paddy. Kharif season is the best season when compared to the Rabi and other third season, Zaid season or summer season. Kharif season is the best suitable season for growing paddy. Yes.